Here's the top stories. Vehicle plunges into Imphal River, fished out. 3 on board feared death. Manipur Chief Minister Biren says state going 100% organic. Supreme Court agrees to reconstitute bench for hearing cases on alleged extrajudicial killings by security forces in Manipur. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. In a tragic incident, one Tata DI vehicle fell off Lilong Bridge and plunged into Imphal River at Lilong in the wee hours today. As per reports, the incident happened when the speeding vehicle was trying to overtake another vehicle near the bridge when it skidded off the road and fell into the river. It is believed 3 persons were on board, including the driver. They are feared dead in the incident. Meanwhile, the vehicle was fished out of the river during this search and rescue operation now underway by a combined team of fire service and the RF and SRF.
Adai akoi ahing matam oi akoi kummu ki ba gari se kai gari no DI male ai fe yeng da ko ada lubli tum taw le mi yaw khra yaw driba khandre da nga amani thori thada ga si yeng ji ko chi taw upai le te ba du ma taw ga no nga jan gi ba aduni tawis.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today inaugurated a newly constructed building of horticulture soil conservation at Sanzentong, Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Biren stated that the state is going 100% organic and towards this and the government is putting efforts. The Chief Minister's remarked that everything can be done if there is determination. He said the construction of the building began in 2013 and expressed happiness over its completion, though it was a bit delayed. Referring to the mission Organic Chain Development for Notice Region 2015-2016, Biren informed that 12,500 farmers have registered under the mission. In all, 12 farmer producer companies have been set up and process is underway for another 5, the Chief Minister added. He also informed that export of pineapple and other food items produced by using organic fertilizers has begun, which he said is an example of a major success for the state. Though cultivation of cannabis is prohibited in the state, under stringent policy, plantation of marijuana will be started for medical purposes.
2015-16 dagi horga organic agency akoida MOMA Mission Organic Chain Development for Northeast Region gi makhada organic farmer 12,500 amadi Manipur gi lokum hectare 12,500 asigi makhada restart or le rekoi Mission asi makhada farmer producer company trying to emasu sem gre aduga manga amana sem na bagi process tori pineapple se ki home metric ton 150 Delhi ma di bharat ke tai searching da akoi gi flight yo akoi putho ga yon manga me ganja ji phajana area khara da phajana thala kana madu only for medicinal gi hoina madu state na purchase torga hariba hidak ki damakta khanna na madu lobu yabra aduga thadokkiba yabra haibi yengnana bagi podama.
At the event, Forest and Environment Minister T.S. Shyamkumar said farmers will be benefited by the new building of horticulture. He appealed that farmers should focus on mass production of organic foods for a better and healthy Manipur.
And the horticulture department ki officer singna madu khudima koi Manipur ki lomi singda amadi Manipur ki ayamba koi ki praja singda madu ki awareness bibi dana amadi haipal lepan koi ki matam gi oiba fruit bearing tree mayam sing thabiraga adagi matam gi horticulture mayam se training bibi duna ki lamdam masi mana masing sinjang pan tang da mama hona ba kanda oiba kanda horticulture chabu title lai haibo phamsi ai thamjaraga asing ba sangasna Manipur ki praja ke makta afaba
The Supreme Court has agreed to reconstitute a bench for hearing cases on the alleged extrajudicial killings by the Army, the Assam Rifles and the Manipur Police in the insurgency-hit state of Manipur. A bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi said it will try to reconstitute the bench as Justice M.B. Lokur, who was hearing the matter, has retired in December last year. Senior advocate Colin Gonsalves, appearing for some of the petitioners, said since the retirement of Justice Lokur, the matter has not been heard. He said he had mentioned the matter before a bench of Justice U. Lalit, who used to hear the case along with Justice Lokur, but he was asked to mention it before the bench of Chief Justice. The apex court had earlier ordered CBI probe into the alleged 1,528 extrajudicial killings in Manipur from 2000 to 2012 by security forces and police. Unknown miscreants planted a bomb at the residential gate of Deputy Manager of Babina Diagnostic Imphal. The incident happened early this morning. The bomb was placed at the residential gate of Thingom Sukumar, age 45 years, of Yai School Hiru Hanbalaikai, Kesamthong. However, a team of police and bomb disposal squad safely disposed of the bomb. According to information, the bomb was found when Sukumar's father, T.H. Santi Chan, as a daily routine, was sweeping the gate at around 5:30 in the morning. Speaking to Tom TV, Thingom Sukumar said he has not received any monetary demand later from any banned underground outfit. Sukumar expressed dismay over the incident and appealed to the concerned responsible persons not to repeat such acts in future.
Mado koi kaim leite ai di personal loiba hana nungai nagi daba kai kra ai kaim ta isam kaim leite ka koi da asi thamam jai di lana thamam bra ina bo khalle koi di mai di adu ma kaim leita bani na ko asi di yam nungai te koi khang de ba ta sengna bom ne do khang de sana pot ma le yeng ma da su ko ada koi di ba ba na wai si to ken to bo ta thengna bani ada pai ro da khot lun to di pukhai ra ma ga di yam nungai roi doi ne ba ko khangai se pung manga minute ranga manga makhai adoi mu to rong ani ada akoi adu hek khangbaga akoi je habit chingna bani na matam phatam ni na koi paibudi paidre police phone toroga kawraga tawri sine so asmain to bositi nungdi nungaite aidi akoi residential area kanoni area ni ko ani yam to si tawida phai kana na bu tormaga su ko nata lan bo ro so mo ro su siti tawida phai ani khal.
To relieve the localities from disturbance given by blocked drains in the rainy season, chunk drains were cleaned using suction machine by Imphal Municipal Corporation under Mahut. On the first day, the drainage stretch from Hauket Hill to Alugali of Thangal Bazaar was clean. Speaking to media, Mahut and Town Planning Minister T.H. Shyamkumar urged the public not to throw waste in and around Khwairamban market. He added that action will be taken up against the shops which do not possess proper license and run without dustbins. He also warned that action will be taken up against those who neglect IMC sewage collection and IMC tax.
And I appeal to the people, through media, the people of Manipur, especially the Imphal, Greater Imphal, in the stakeholder and the shopkeepers, please cooperate to the Imphal Municipal Corporation. And we already started the cleaning of the drainage of the different places of the Imphal Municipal Corporation area. Local family ba mayamna shop restart to view. Restart to the dukan sing. Door to collection yom the sing ado. Haying they can drive to Gani. Sometimes family na family ka sukai dia ba. Masama dustbin thambiyo. Mam family babzagado loena famma loelo khoka piraga dustbin thambira mo ba. Adu ka problem nei roeba. Masa na lagani leisel lagani. Adu mana famma chakka ka di magi phajab sakta mo manghal me ba. Adu masi hai nang waru bi ganung sa imagine the si statement da hai banate mai tai na pi mi phajab sakta ma do madu akoi Manipur ni pi phajab sakta ma do hai bi Imphal sida ni pi anda pham imagine sa madu tahan si hai dona ai bidai ko sang ta appeal to jabani.
Well, it's time for a short break, but coming up, self-employed youths of mobile hair salon can fetch 800 rupees per day. More after the break.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing da admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat 15 khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back after the break. You don't have to move to hair salons. Barber on Wheels will be on your doorstep now. Here is an exclusive report.
Barber on Wheel, a mobile hair salon run by two bold youngsters, are earning more than rupees 800 daily. Now, a disabled person or a person facing difficulties moving around doesn't have to worry about problem of going for a haircut. With just one phone call, Konsam, Sangamba and Thonga Malengambi Chanu will arrive at your doorstep. Barber on Wheel, a modified and well-equipped Maruti van, has the facilities where two persons can have haircut at one go. With the initiative to employ young educated youths of the state, Paunam Sundar of Kurai Lairik Yembam Laikai started Barber on Wheels from 8th of this month. The service is also gaining popularity. Paunam Sundar stated that he invested around rupees 1.5 lakh to provide hygienic service to people.
Koi Barber on Wheels hariba singumba innovation se kaide lakuna haragadi ahanbada koi hygiene se koina ngasiboda samkala ku matam sida koina conventional barber sing da koina sangkak pu de thengneriba mogi fee se sinabam da dum sinaba sang skin de thengjanaba de ani suda moina sineriba com sing se sinabam da dum sinaba so aina koide lupo gumba skin disease longna ba yaba siu mayam sida koina sum chahi kya sum tolerate ro khanga le ko se sikitang kokna bagi hygiene oiba mongda khalla kan ahanba ama khanjabani de ani suba pandam de marwena koigi service site are karma makhani service no hajima tam yam matam gi mamal value of time jam chilna matam sida koina mapan da thokna queue leptana khotra ngai bi noi taba aduga loina na koina masi pos yum da sanga kan dadi kana gumba differently able sing mapan thokba da khudong cha daba noi taba mi sing adigi maram kharana maram oram pan thokpa ya daba adigi celebrity sing adigi amram da masai anaba na maram thokpa ya daba sing shuma mi sing sigi yum da sanga kan da koina kak taragadi matam ju safe tore aduga makhoi da comfortable oiba yam nungai ba makhan gi service ma kak pina bagi ani shu pandamni
Konsam Sangamba from Kundrakpam, Imphal East District and Thonga Malengambi Chanu from Moirang cut hair for just rupees 40 per person. The shop is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Around 20 people visit the salon, enabling them to earn from rupees 800 to 1,000 daily.
Khangna damina sum sidalega masang sum khangna tawraga sidigi spray out tawge tawwa dugi admain do tawge taw ahamanina myam sakhana damina khoina chaninge ne ta mafam ju leitamnina chapa mafam do 800 muki chang da lai nonda miyam da 40 admain lawra pung 6 am degina 6:30 adam ki chang de hang
Thonga Malengambi Chanu stated that the number of female clients are less as they tend to go to beauty parlors. During busy hours, she cut hair irrespective of the gender, she added. Visitors of the salon lauded the efforts by the educated youths.
Smaina koi barber ama smaina cham na koi four wheeler toroga smaina tor mafam phom chatlaga kak pa yabo khudung sa su leire sumba mitem sa gi yahom ni koi yahom mi gi haita ne ko kanaba adegi tungi koi gi afaba samaj ma propo chataning ba supo e adegi yum da su koi subam mo me tabu smaina tor me kyam le ga di koi ju mo yi tanara ga dum yabu khotpa kachu kai de hai wakhan da thamjage gi mota
Bây lại coi số máy hàng bên ngoài chứ số máy nó phải biết tên là tàu bút số máy nó hàng tao có tao gáy tàu bút chứ số máy pam chứ con nó mấy em tàu bút các tao con tàu bút chứ số máy nó chúng ama phật giúp hay có hay mấy tàu bút làm lại xin nấu nấu có mà hàng thì hấp quỳ giúp quỳ đây coi trăng cái đâu không nghe trăng bút trung ngầm thì con nông phá đông là chứ trăng trăng rất ini sudah tàu quỳ mà tàu bút thâu quất cái tại xem này cái gì phật giúp hay xem này đồ này hay sẽ ta được.
The owner of the Barber on Wheel Paunam Sundar can be found near Lamlong, Thongkhong. Looking at the demand of the salon, Sundar plans to expand the business.
Barber Noel ki ahan ba koi gari se sem na bhona bada yam drabada koi 1.5 lakhs ko machangi maram di gari ma koi ki thau ba gari ma oina to gi lei gi duma second hand gari ma lei bani adoga mathang da madugi manung interior me andu shape ma khot ba materials tools sing lei ba punjala kanda 1.5 lakh kumba adoina investment aham changi ado makata na koi na puthoro ko der yum lakto mi am sidi eco friendly oba e rickshaw da lakani single seater da hari bo chda di kitang handaraga nearly 80 to 1 lakh kumbagi investment lakado mal amamda.
Uchathol Pioneer Club UPC and Veterinary Department jointly organized a vaccination program for domesticated animals at Uchathol, Ningsing Khun and Harinagar of Jiribam district today. Auditor of Uchathol Pioneer Club M. Premchandra Singh said that the vaccination program aims to prevent diseases like black quarter or BQ, which is seen in cattle. Around 50 cats and 40 cows got vaccinated during the program.
BQ haiba laina si naratuna koi sanjing si kutakta sibya ba oiba haiba dong thiba si thoktana ba koina anti BQ vaccine kapsoksari loinana koi yumda loiriba koi hui singda masi kudong thiba si thoktana ba anti vaccine anti rabies vaccine koi kapsoksari.
President of All Manipur Students Union, MSU Peter Lystrom, today underlined the need of introducing moral counseling class to school-going students and warned them to not roam around in school uniforms. He stated this while talking to media persons at the union's office at Thangmeben, referring to a recent incident that went viral on the social media. Peter clarified that the matter has been settled and sought support from the people in preventing such unwanted cases in future.
Thoiba crime sing hadi any crime sing viral video sing natraga any tholeiba mahirosina crime sing amadi mishimina sing tholeiba myam sing asa school amada college amada mainly school lai tare sida counseling class am leitabini aduna mahirosing afaba mahirosing ama oinabada achumba lambi am chatna ba honabada asugumla hairiba counseling class se adugini darka oi aduna school singda hafta amamda counseling class amom compulsory hapkadamni aduga hariba si matang su emsuna awareness program chatharakba amadi school haptaba singda su akam mieng changkani habja media thongda emsuna appeal tawjari.
On the other hand, in connection with the alleged suicide case of one girl student of Standard Robert School, Kanchipur today, Peter raised a question on the school authorities' indifferent attitude towards the media and students' organizations, saying that the deceased might have been murdered. He also appealed to the concerned authority to investigate the incident and bring all the culprits to book at the earliest.
Standard Robert Mahiroi Nupi Sama Shiraga Lerame Hariba Mahiroi Shingasibu Shima Nupi Sasibu Mishigi Matanga student organizing Changsalu Matam Amadi press media Chinausin Changsalu Matam the Su Sangalactaba authority and school authority and Sangalactaba Siam Akamamong the Kandem Tawi Hariba Changalactricina Takpadi Mahiroi Shingasi Nupi Masasi Lautunraga Hatpania Hyman Matuloi Aduna Hariba Asigulaba Mishi Sida Chenaba Singadu Palibalangak Amdi Palimalangana Dandibi Gadamni.
All Manipur Students Union MSU headquarters and Meitei Council Moray jointly planted saplings at the Eastern Shine School campus Moray. MSU General Secretary Ahanthem Bipin Chandra, Meitei Council Moray President M. Thoiba, Headmaster of Eastern Shine School K. Shamo and several others attended the function. Speaking to media persons, Bipin Chandra said that they organized the plantation program so that the people of different communities can know each other. Vietnam Music College has conferred a 2-year scholarship on modern Manipuri singer Koizam Babina of Sawambunget in recognition of her contribution in the field of dance and drama. She is the daughter of Koizam Tejmani and K. Mangisana Devi. Babina is currently a student of Northeastern Dance and Drama Academy, Moirangkampu. Let's take another short break, but coming up, fertilizers distributed at low rate. More after the break.
Hi, I Diraj. Lakliwa tang taramapan pung ani tabang matamda kumalapakta ISL 11 amadi Manipur 11 ki match ama sanajagadori. ISL 11 gi maikai dagi yaujagadori. Nami asida mayam gi thabachin ba kaithoktuna match asibu yengba lakpiyu amadi match asibu mapum phanbiyu.
Ama maktada aigi ming Subhas Kaujai mayam gi mapamda wahai khara tang thamjage sanagadori friendly match asida Manipur gi miyamna saruk yabiduna friendly match asibu mapum phanbiyu haiduna aigi side gi mayam gi mapamda na paujal asi pijari. Please come and support. Thank you.
Manipur University de affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari course sing adudi VSc Agriculture, VSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi gi hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gi damak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. Under the supervision of MLA of Kumbi constituency S. Bira, BJP Kumbi Mandal distributed fertilizers at low price to several landless local farmers of Chandon Pokpi and Napet of Kumbi constituency in Bisnupur district. The event was attended by Secretary of BJP Kumbi Mandal K.H. Deven, social worker Muhammad Azad Khan and others.
Amadi Napat area da low palava singda ahongba mamanda Naumi Singda Har Pangalle Maramaduna Ngasi Lairiba Kumbikendregi area Singi Arelai Skimna Sing Piduna Lairiba Lopam Singda Har Darka Laibasing Kumbi Kendregi MLAS Bire Singilising Makada BJP Mandana Kana Hona Gani Maramaduna Har Darka Laibasing Laumi Singda Har Ahongwa Mamanda Pangangani Haina Mediagi Mamangda Ngasi Wapamasi Tamzeri.
After a long-standing stalemate, the Manipur government has finally issued the appointment letters of selected male candidates of Manipur Rifles 2016 batch early this morning. It is worth mentioning that the JAC had warned the government of intense agitations if the appointment letters were not issued by today. Karnataka Chief Minister S.D. Kumaraswamy moved the trust motion in the assembly today even as he launched a scathing attack on the rebel Congress, JDS, MLAs and the BJP for the political crisis in the state. While at least 12 rebel MLAs have reiterated that they would not return to the Congress. The party got a breather from legislator Ramalinga Reddy, who has said that he would vote in favor of Congress JDS government. Ahead of the floor test, BJP leader B.S. Yedirupa expressed confidence that the coalition government would fall today. The Supreme Court yesterday gave 15 dissident MLAs of Karnataka complete freedom to opt out of the ongoing assembly session, even as it acknowledged the Speaker's discretion to decide on their resignations as and when he considers appropriate. This is the third motion on trust vote moved in the assembly after the fractured mandate in 2018 elections. Pakistan's anti-graft body today arrested former Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi in a multi-billion rupee case related to the award of a liquefied natural gas (LNG) import contract. A National Accountability Bureau team intercepted Abbasi's car at Thokur Niaz Bag in Lahore and arrested him. He initially resisted the arrest but eventually conceded. Abbasi, who served as the Prime Minister from August 2017 to May 2018, had come to Lahore from Islamabad to hold a press conference, but he was arrested before reaching the venue of the event. The NAB was probing alleged corruption in the award of contract to import LNG from Qatar by Abbasi when he was Minister for Petroleum and Natural Resources in the cabinet of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. After the 9 successful editions, the Himalayan Kingdom of Bhutan is all set to host the 10th edition of Mountain Echoes Bhutan Festival of Art, Literature and Culture in the capital city Thimphu from August 22nd to 25th. As per sources, the venues for the festival this year are India House, Royal University of Bhutan, Hotel Tasi, City Cinema, Clock Tower and Mozo Park. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle, campaign for CM's replacement on BJP MLA. Amit Saha, Center to identify, deport illegal immigrants. Mega food park, jewelry park at YTV soon. Explosive, illicit liquor seized. Charity project wax beef donor officials. The Morning Bell, BJP Manipur President urged to initiate disciplinary action against CM Biren. Hafiz said 2008 Mumbai terror attack mastermind arrested in Pakistan. Huge quantity of explosive and illicit liquor seized. Youth dies of swine flu. Government says not to panic. Total shutdown on Sandal affects normal life. This Shanghai Express. Snails piece mark out at Makru, Barak Breeds. Samples of Sihai Kolan mushroom collected. Swine flu claims 1. Measures taken up. Donor Secretary inspect works at More. Imphal Free Phrase. Youth dies of H1N1 swine flu. CM shares sorrow with peoples of Assam. Former MLA appeals for resolution of missing coffin issue at RS. State unit CPI to live for Delhi for pressing center on burning issues.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Vehicle plunges into Imphal River, fished out, 3 on board fear dead. Manipur Chief Minister Biren says state going 100% organic. And Supreme Court agrees to reconstitute bench for hearing cases on alleged extrajudicial killings by security forces in Manipur. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.